Setting your audio messages to expire after a certain time on your iPhone 16 helps manage storage space and maintain privacy by automatically removing these messages from your conversation history. Here's how it's done. To begin, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. Scroll to locate Messages from the list of apps and then tap on it to continue. Once you're in the Messages app settings, scroll down to the Audio Messages section and then tap on Expire. Here you'll see two options, namely after 2 minutes and never. If you choose after 2 minutes, audio messages will be automatically removed from your conversation history 2 minutes after being sent or listened to. If you select never, your audio messages will be kept indefinitely in your conversation history. Make your selection based on your preference for privacy and storage management. Simply tap on your preferred option. This feature on your iPhone 16 allows you to balance convenience with privacy and storage management. Consider your personal needs and privacy concerns when deciding which option to use. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.